go fishing. Lake McConaughy. Starting out now. Here we go. Dad's driving. You're on video, Dad.
I'm on video.
Making a video. We're gonna do some fishing. Nice calm morning. Yeah. Hopefully the wind stays down for a while. Well, they got some big sandbags there. Protect the dock. Huh?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. We got to our destination. We are trolling. Be very quiet. We got the trolling motor running. See, we're moving. The engine's not on though. And we got the fishing lines out there. And hopefully we will catch some fish.
Oh.
It is a very nice, calm morning.
Beautiful.
On Lake McConaughy. This is very rare. Usually the waves are like 2 feet tall on average. So this is a beautiful, beautiful morning out here. Hopefully the fish are hungry. We'll catch about 10 or so. What do you think, Dad?
I hope.
There's some beeps on the
there's fish
on the
here
fish finder
once in a while. They just got through a tournament and probably fished a lot of them out.
Yeah, dang it. That's the bad part.
Yeah.
But it's a beautiful morning, so
yep.
If we don't catch any fish, at least we got the nice weather. We got a bunch of boats over there trying to catch some fish. We're heading towards them. There's a beep. So we'll see what we get. All right. We'll take more video if we catch some fish. All right. We finally got to where all the action's happening here. You can see, you can always tell where the good fishing's at. There's like 50 million fishermen all in boats in one area. So we finally got to this section here. We haven't caught any fish yet, but we're hoping this is the spot. This is the area. I'm driving. I've got the the remote control thing for the trolling motor here, and we're just gonna fish along this ledge. We're at about 16 feet. I don't know if you can see that on there. And we're just gonna head along this ledge, see if we can't find some fish along here. They obviously think there's some fish in here, so we'll see what we can find. Alright, so I'm just sitting here watching my pole. We're just still trolling around here. We haven't caught any fish yet. So, Dad's driving the trolling motor here. We're just watching the lines. We're right by everybody here, you can see. So this should be the spot. Everybody's congregated off this sandy point here. That guy's leaving. He probably caught 10 fish and he's gone. He's going to church.
He's going to church because he didn't catch any.
Probably, yeah. It's like, there's no fish here. I'm gonna go to church anyway. So, anyway, this is what's going on now. We'll keep waiting, keep trolling. We're gonna go around these guys and end up clear over there. So, see if there's any fish over there. I'll check back later. Alright, so quick update on what's going on here. We have caught 0 fish. We're still out here on Lake McConaughy, and you know, the most important thing about a fishing trip with your dad is spending time with your dad. And you know, if you catch some fish, that's a good bonus. But just good to be out here on the lake and on the water. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I think the issue is there was a tournament yesterday, and this lake might be fished out a little bit. Either that or the fish are pissed off because their buddies are gone, you know, and they're not gonna bite any more worms. I don't know what it is, but anyway, we're still trolling. We went down the edge of the lake here, and we're headed back. We're headed west again. You can see where all those boats are out there, and we're gonna head back that way. The water's getting a little bit ripply here. You can see the tiny bit of a breeze, but it's still beautiful. So we're gonna stay out here and keep going. So anyway, that's the update. One thing we are catching is a lot of snags, and so we're losing some worms. Dang it. We have got 2 boxes of worms and a thing of leeches, so we might have to start using leeches. So, and maybe the leeches will work better for us. I don't know. So anyway, that's it for now. All right, quick update here. I did catch something, and it is what they call a stickfish, and there it is. Pretty big, pretty long, but I have heard these are not very appetizing, and so I am going to do a catch and release on this stickfish. So I'm going to throw it back out into the wild. There it goes. And somebody else can catch that someday. So I'm just doing my part for the environment here. And we're still trolling. No fish caught yet. And you can see those guys back there. We have asked several of them if they have caught any fish, and they say no. So wait, we might have some here. Is that a snag, Dad, or is that fish? Oh, good. All right, so we might have a good video here going.
Nope.
Wait, nope, it got away.
That was a fish.
The fish grabbed the worm and took off, and he didn't get hooked on the. Wait, no, he's still on there. He's a small bass, wiper. So we did catch 1 fish today, so far. Good job, Dad.
We didn't go home skunk, did we?
But he is not a keeper. We will probably throw him back also. So anyway. Can you get him?
Yeah.
Alright, there he goes. Back in the wild. He's going to grow some more. Alright, Dad. Good job.
Your turn.
Next is my turn. There's my pole over there. I'm still watching it. So, alright, until next time. Well, we're done fishing. We're headed home now. Look at the boat back there on the trailer. There's the lake. We didn't catch any fish except that small little wiper fish. There's a lot of other fishermen dudes out there. See that? I think it was the tournament the day before. Kind of wiped out all the fish. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We're out of here.